Okay, let's dive into this fast-paced explainer and decode Cardano, a mathematically verified platform shaking up traditional blockchains. Welcome to blockchainmetrics.com. Let's quickly unpack the unique mechanics behind one of crypto's coolest networks.
Older blockchains get super congested, but what happens when peer-reviewed science meets crypto? You get a research-driven powerhouse.
Quick refresher, guys. Cardano is the actual blockchain platform itself, while ADA is its native cryptocurrency.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is its three pillars: research-driven development, massive scalability, and true sustainability.
Every single upgrade survives a rigorous gauntlet: academic research, strict peer review, and finally, careful network integration.
So, the crucial point is, why actually use it? What real-world perks does all this heavy science unlock?
Well, it delivers highly scalable, green solutions perfectly designed to handle complex, real-world apps without breaking a sweat.
Let's move to and see how this builds our beginner summary, a scalable, research-backed blockchain powered by ADA.
Will these research-driven networks eventually rule crypto? Follow Blockchain Metrics on our socials to track the evolution.